When using DollyPLUS as a standalone device, which means you don't have HeadONE or HeadPLUS paired with it, and if you want to shoot parallax shots with it, here is how to do it. First, you have to create an arc perfectly circling around the subject you want to track. To do that, you have to enter the path options and then select arc. Then you align the wheels in a way that it passes through the center of the arc. Press done, and you do the same once more, making sure the wheels are again passing through the center of the arc, and then press done again. So the arc creation is complete. The last thing you have to do is just aim your camera to the subject you want to track, and then it will always keep at the center as the dolly moves on the path. So this is the best way to create your parallax shots with just using DollyPLUS.